Let's go 3. Lesson 2. Some and any. Listen and repeat. We use the word some in positive sentences. I have some popcorn. I have some popcorn. I have some candy. I have some candy. I have some peanuts. I have some peanuts. I have some cookies. I have some cookies. I have some chips. I have some chips. We use the word any in questions. Do you have any popcorn? Do you have any popcorn? Do you have any candy? Do you have any candy? Do you have any peanuts? Do you have any peanuts? Do you have any cookies? Do you have any cookies? Do you have any chips? Do you have any chips? We use the word any in negative sentences too. I don't have any popcorn. I don't have any popcorn. I don't have any candy. I don't have any candy. I don't have any peanuts. I don't have any peanuts. I don't have any cookies. I don't have any cookies. I don't have any chips. I don't have any chips.